So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how you can fix video sounds not coming on your iPhone. Now if you have been using your iPhone and all of a sudden your video is not playing any sound, there are a few things that you can do. Now quite obviously I'm assuming that you have done all the checks, so it's like your phone is not on the silent mode, so basically it's like the volume is up and ringing. Also, like, use the volume up buttons to turn the media volume right to the highest levels, uh, ensuring that the phone is not on silent or anything like that. Just increase volumes so that everything is all fine. So I'm assuming that all this is perfect. Now let's look at a few troubleshooting solutions that you can take. Swipe down from the top, sorry, so just press like this and you will see that you have the small little window, and you will see like you can control the Bluetooth and other things from here. Turn off your Bluetooth. Why do I say this? It's because it's quite possible that it's getting connected to some other device, Bluetooth audio devices, and the media volume maybe gets played through that device, and maybe that device is not working properly or something. But just turn this off. Oftentimes turning off your Bluetooth will actually make your media play from this phone itself. So this speakers that you see will be used to play the phone sounds and not the Bluetooth speaker or something like that. So please do turn it off. Next things, what I advise is, and this should work in most cases, is like simply first put your phone to sleep like this and then give it some firm flaps. Then at the bottom, then the front side, then here as well. Then again, what I want you to do is give it a massage from bottom to top, spreading outside like this. Now, although this may sound comic and funny, but what actually happens here is that some components may have come loose after your phone has been used for a long time. And also, it's quite possible that you may have dropped your phone or something like that, and some of the components which are responsible for sound may have come loose. And when you do this, when you flap your phone or you massage your phone, and you will see that the media volumes start to play. But at this point, what I suggest is you force restart your device. Now the way you force restart your device is press volume up, then the down, and then power button, so one after the other in quick succession. So volume up, volume down, and then the power button until you see the slider. Then the phone screen will turn off. You will see basically after some time the Apple logo, and once you see the Apple logo, you can keep the phone down because it would take around 30 odd seconds for the phone to restart. So you can see the Apple logo here. Just keep the phone down, the phone will turn off, the Apple logo will again come back, and the phone will reboot or restart normally. Once the phone restarts, you will see that the media sounds play perfectly fine. So there you go, the phone has restarted. You will be prompted for your passcode. Now, hopefully at this point of time, everything should be fine. Even a simple phone restart also works magical in most of the cases. Now, one thing I advise you to do here is like just blow air onto the speakers that you see here. So if it's quite possible that sometimes, some dust or something may have entered here. So just some compressed air blowing may also remove any of the like dust particles or something like that. But simply, I mean, just a good flap and good massage and phone restarting can work wonders. Now, if you are using any app as such and sound is not coming, just ensure that you have given all sound permissions within the app such that it's not muted. So that shouldn't be the case. I think this should solve your issues. If iPhone has any newer updates, you may try updating the phone as well. But to be honest, for most of my friends, whoever had been facing these issues in many devices, we have seen that tapping, massaging, and force restarting the device is the perfect solution. Now, what I want you to do is try doing that and try doing the other things that I suggested, and let me know which one worked for you, because when you do let me know in the comment section, it actually helps a lot of people in the community. They check the comments, they realize what works, what doesn't. And if you come across a solution that helps and that actually solves your case, do let us know as well, so that even we learn from your experience. If you are struggling, let us know so that we can troubleshoot your case as well. That should be all from my side. Please do like and subscribe if you find the content helpful. Until next time, it's me, Amlan, signing off.